welcome back to my channel. It's Brittany. I need to shower and do a lot of things and look more presentable because I feel disgusting. So I thought, what better way than to show you all what I use on the daily. As you can tell right now, I am not wearing any makeup, haven't showered since yesterday morning, need to do that. And yeah, so I'll just show you what I use and stuff, but I gotta shower first, so I'm gonna shower. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so I took a shower. It was a good shower, but don't mind my messy bathroom. Well, I'm basically just gonna like get ready for like the evening. I'm not going anywhere. It's a Sunday night, but I just feel like looking halfway decent. Maybe I'll take an Instagram picture or two and move on with my day. But basically, my hair is wet. But first, actually, while I'm talking to you, I'm gonna brush it. Let me find my brush. Well, I don't know where my brush went. That's good. Wow, my video's off to a great start. It's okay. So basically just brushing my hair out for all the tangles, you know. Ouch. Okay, yeah, so I brushed my hair. Whoa, that was fun. Really just let it air dry because I hate hair dryers. I only do that when I like need my hair to be dry like right away. I also use this brush. It's probably really gross. You can get these at Target, CVS, anywhere you want. Okay, well now that that's done, so I'm gonna show you what I used in the shower. For my hair, I just like to use like this the blonde shampoo from L'Oreal. It's shampoo and conditioner to make the blonde stay blonde because I have a problem with my hair turning yellow whenever I dye it blonde. So then for my face, I literally just use the Neutrogena, the pink grapefruit wash, and sometimes I use the scrub. I did not today, so yeah, but there's a scrub that goes with this. For my body, I'm not getting that out because it's big, but I use the Aveeno body wash. It's super nice, and it's dermatologist recommended. So that's what I use in the shower. So then, what I use the cotton rounds, and I like to do like this water cleanser every once in a while, maybe like 2 or 3 times a week, just because I probably should start using it more, just in case my face wash missed any dirt on my face. I use the Yes, the coconut. It's not gonna focus, is it? Of course not. It's basically just cleansing water, but it's supposed to like extract the dirt or whatever, and it's supposed to click, but the one that I bought's broken. So basically you just open the lid and like unlock it and press down and the water comes out, but I bought a dysfunctional one, so I just unscrew it. So usually I would do 2 or 3 pumps, so I do 2 or 3 little dips, I guess. And then you just literally wipe it on your face. But it's coconut scented, so it smells so good and reminds me of summer. So yeah, there was like a little bit of dirt left. We're not gonna show you that, that's nasty. Oh, I also use this lotion, which I didn't put on my arms, but I put on my legs like when I got out of the shower. Don't know why I forgot to do that. I'm just not on it today. It smells so good. It's the Aveeno, so the same like brand as my body wash, but it's the Stress Relief Moisturizing Lotion, which moisturize, kids, keeps you young. It's lavender, chamomile, and ylang ylang. Don't know if you can read that, but so I don't know what that is, but it smells relaxing, as it should. Once my face is dry from the cleansing water, I use the Neutrogena Rapid Clear for acne, because Lord knows I need help with that. You just put it on the different places, and it will usually take the redness away within like an hour or 2. So once I do that, and let that dry. I also use the Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer because that thing will make your skin very dry and peel. And rub it all over my face. Once all of that dries, I usually do my makeup. I'm just gonna leave that for another time. But then when I, am getting to a point of like needing to smell good, I usually use, this is my new, I used to use Beach from Bath & Body Works a lot, and I really like it. I like a lot of Bath & Body Works stuff, but I've been using Sea Island Cotton. Well, I don't really know how to explain it other than that it smells fresh and clean, I guess, like a clean scent. And once my hair starts to air dry, it's like getting there. Sometimes I'll just like put it into braids and then like sleep on it, so then the next day my hair's like actually like nice waves, like beach waves. I guess I'll just do my makeup and then braid my hair, I guess, because I don't know what else to do with it, because it just doesn't feel like it's gonna dry in time. So I'm gonna also do my makeup routine and then show you how I braid my hair usually. Everyone at my job literally makes fun of me because I come in majority of the time, like 85% of the time, in my braids. So basically, to start off, so like if I'm in a hurry, the moisturizer can also act as like a primer to your makeup. But since I can take my time, I literally just use as my primer the Maybelline New York, the Master Prime by Face Studio. And I have a lot of redness in my face. I don't know why. Thanks, Mom. So I usually do the green one. The green basically like blurs imperfections and controls redness. So sounded good to me. So I look like this before I rub it in. Ooh. Okay, so now that that's all rubbed in, this is the brush I use. You can literally get it at Target. Target is your friend. Also, you can get this at Target. Mostly everything in my makeup collection you can get at Target, except for this foundation. So my foundation is the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. But I am not the biggest fan of it, but I don't have money to go get my old one right now because I used Urban Decay before. So I have to wait for my next paycheck. In the meantime, I use this with just this random concealer that Lana gave me, because I was complaining about that, and we have the same color skin when it comes to makeup. I'm not even quite sure what brand this is. I don't even know. This is how much I know about makeup, but I literally just put half and half on a brush and rub it in my face, which you're about to watch. Oh, also, if like it didn't cover everything, like on this side of my face it didn't really cover everything, I just go back and like put this on top. Okay, so I'm starting to look more like a human now, because before, yikes. Then, just to make sure it's all set, I use the Revlon Color Stay, but I use the translucent powder because I hate powder with color. I just have that hard, difficult time matching powdered colors to my foundation color, so I just use a translucent one. Can I speak? No. Just kind of, get it on there and dab it. Okay, so there's that. And then if I'm going to wear eyeshadow, I use this Morphe palette, and it's like the brown, like all of the browns. It's because I don't wear color, but this is what it is. So I basically just use like the 3 up that center, and then the other ones are just kind of there for support, And the next thing I do is usually I'll curl my eyelashes with just the Revlon curling device that you can literally get at Target, along with my mascara, which is just the Maybelline, like the Colossal Volume Express one, and I usually get the Hydrofuse one, the one that's waterproof, just because it stays longer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so my eyelashes are done. For my lips, I usually use, so I'm not a glossy person. I just like matte. Like, I like things that are just neutral, nothing snazzy.
Why did I use that word?
Anyways, I basically just use the Stay Matte, like just the Rimmel London, the Stay Matte liquid lip color. Wish I could tell you which one I use. I'm literally not the type of person you need to be asking about makeup because I barely wear it, and when I do, it's the most simple products. Sorry y'all. So if you're looking for a simple makeup look, I'm your go-to, your pal, your GF, your main person. No. The number on the bottom is 8189. If that means anything, I hope it does. If it doesn't, I'm sorry. The color looks like this. It looks dope. Okay, so it also takes a second to become completely matte, but it goes all nice and smooth. I also choose to not use lip liner, number one, because I don't want to, and number two, I just think it's stupid. And then basically that's just my everyday makeup, and that's all that I do. The last thing that I do is my hair, and sometimes I'll be nice and straighten it or curl it if I'm feeling generous to the world, but I'm usually not. I literally just part it kind of like a little bit deeper into the center, then it naturally goes, and I literally just take my hands, split it down the back, and I call it a day, and I just start. That's basically how you do it. If you like it tight, leave it that way. Sometimes if I don't want it tight, I'll start from the bottom and just kind of pull at it. Oh, I have friends coming. Oh, look, it's Morgan!
What's up? We're going to get food.
Where?
We don't know yet.
I'll be there in a second.
Okay, that's all.
Okay. And just kind of pull it out to make it looser, thicker, make it a thicker, messier braid. Personal preference. That's basically all the products that I use on a daily basis, and that's about it. So you just got ready with me, and I'm about to go to dinner with my roommates. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. I'll be posting more often because I have more time now. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.
To be young and in love in New York City. To not know who I am but still know that